Good afternoon, YouTube. The day has come. We're finally getting a chance here. We're breaking ground. So during this process, coming across the roots that were left in the ground from the tree, man, it's amazing how strong them roots are. Here we have this is a pile of roots that I've had to dig out. That's why the backhoe is on. But yeah, and even the small ones that I'm digging out right now, I just want to get them out of the way so that when we do grade everything, we're not dealing with them later. You know, now's the time to get everything, but it's always fun. I'm not showing you guys the digging process because nobody wants to watch anybody dig holes, especially a hole like that. So, all right, we're gonna set you down. We'll get back to you later. I did have my neighbor come over with his rototiller and help break up the ground, which did a lot of good. But we've already moved a lot of dirt forward. We've already had one pile here that we spread out. This is the second here. I'm just about done digging, and yeah, we're excited about this. This has been a long time coming. It's going to be a lot of hard work here, especially moving this dirt. Being on the hill, I don't have a lot of opportunity with the trees and everything there to get the tractor in to move this dirt without tipping the tractor over or whatever, you know, but it's all good. We're going to do what we can. We'll have to move some of this by hand, but yeah, the animals aren't too happy. They've been trapped in, but they'll be happy in the end. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to work here. I'll update you guys in a little bit. So I think I'm gonna call it a day. We're supposed to get some rain. What I'll do is I'll take the backhoe back off, and I'll put the box blade on and scrape this just to get some of the high spots out. And yeah, then we're gonna call and have the stone delivered. And hopefully that won't be more than a couple days. I'm going tomorrow to put the order in for the lumber. So hopefully that's gonna be here by, I wanna say Thursday or Friday. And we should start being able to build, well, depending on the stone. That's the first thing. Get that here, get it leveled, graded, and we're gonna go from there. But yeah, I'm gonna call it a day, and we'll talk to you soon.